Yeah, well. By the way, what? Any types of it?
No, I think he's
Okay.
I was worried.
No, you have nothing to worry about. The store's spotless until he showed up.
Uh-oh.